National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County in north-central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of Sanger, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton, The Colony, Corinth, Sanger, Little Elm, Crum, Pilot Point, Shady Shores, Aubrey, Krugerville, Crossroads, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Oak Point, Ponder, Lakewood Village, Lincoln Park, Providence Village, Stony, and Lake Ray Roberts. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northern Denton and southern Cook counties. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles northwest of Sanger, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.